Hello students. Now part 1 we have already seen. Now the second part of lesson number 8 Sakshi Bhuta Manushya means man as a witness, that we have already seen that as a witness of that whenever the incident is happened, so the three types of that person is there means three types of things are there. That one is stone, one is that birds and animal, and the another one is a human being. But human is performing the three types of work. First we have already seen. Now the second one means here the dialogues is given between Puneet and Sunit. So again the Puneet is giving the answer of that Sunit is asking the question that what will be the second word. Now this Puneet is saying द्वितीय कार्यम second word कर्तव्यस्य निर्वाह. कर्तव्यस्य निर्वाह means carrying out the duty. So here the word कर्तव्यस्य निर्वाह means carrying out the duty. Carrying out the duty means you have to perform the duty at that time. दुर्घटनाग्रस्तस्य जनः सद्य एव औषधालयश्रितः करणीयः भवति. Means what will be the second verb? That carrying out the duty means you have to perform duty at that time. दुर्घटनाग्रस्तस्य जनः, the person who is in trouble, who is in wounded, एव औषधालयश्रितः करणीयः भवति means should be admitted to the hospital. Means you have to perform your duty at that place. You have to reach that person to the hospital. मतलब उसको hospital सबसे पहले लेके जाना चाहिए. So here the word औषधालयश्रितः means hospital. So the word औषधालय means hospital. औषधालय आश्रित, आश्रित means उसको वहां पे लेके जाना चाहिए. You should be admitted to the hospital. येन तस्य उचित उपायः स्यात्. This is the best, the proper treatment. मतलब whenever the person is in trouble, wounded. So first what thing is that you have to reach to that person to the hospital, and in the hospital that the proper treatment should be start. So here the word uchita upchara, proper treatment. Uchita upchara. So the word uchitam upchara means proper treatment. Proper treatment. Syatah means that person get the proper treatment in the hospital. तत्र संगत्य कदाचित् तस्मै रक्तस्य आवश्यकता भवानी चेत् भवानीं चेतु means here that tatra sangatya means having gone with. So here the word sangatya means having gone with. Sangatya having gone with. Having gone with raktasya avasyakta bhavitum chetum. If there is a necessity of rakta means blood, if you have to go with that person, if the blood requirement, the blood necessity is there, स्वकीयं रक्तम अपि तस्मै दातव्यं भवति. दातव्यं भवति means should be given. दातव्यं to give. So you should give your own blood to that person. तस्य परिवारे सूचना दातव्या. तस्य परिवारे means the person who is in trouble, that family, सूचना, information, दातव्या, you have to inform to the family of that person, the person who is in trouble. येन तस्य परिवारजनः means of family member of that person औषधालयम् आगत्य तस्य विशेषः सहायो भवेत्. सहायो means help. So when the family member comes in the hospital, that is the help of that person, means that the person is in trouble. So whenever you have to inform to the family member, so at that time when the family member comes in the hospital, so that is helpful for that person. दुर्घटनाया साक्षिणा मनुष्यस्य एतादृशं कर्तव्यम्, means the person who is witness of the incident, that person is doing like this work. Etadrusham, like this. Etadrusham, like this. Etadrusham means like this work. सर्वे मनुष्य अस्य कर्तव्यस्य निर्वाह करणीय, means all the human beings they have to follow these act. मतलब ये जो काम है वो सारे सब मनुष्य, every human being they have to perform these kind of duty. निर्वाह करणीय, duty should be carried out. मतलब they have to that carrying out the duty. Now again Sunit is asked that तृतीय कार्य किम अस्ति, what will be the third one work. यत घटनाया साक्षी मनुष्यः आचरे, means as a witness of that incident, what the man will do the third work. Now again the Punit is replying, तृतीयं कार्यम् अस्ति बोध प्राप्ति. बोध प्राप्ति means to get knowledge, to learn the lesson. So here the word bodh prapti. Learning lessons. बोध प्राप्ति. मनुष्येन सदैव बोध प्राप्तये प्रयत्न करणीयो भवति, means every time the person is doing that how to learn the lesson, means at that time that the third work is that manushya means the human being is learning the lesson, and means every time the person means the human being is doing like this to learn the lesson. मतलब उसको ऐसा काम करना चाहिए कि वो हमेशा इससे सीखता रहे, मीन्स ये इंसिडेंट को देख के वो उसमें से कुछ लेसन जो है वो सीख सके, कुछ प्राप्त कर सके. यदा वयं कस्याचित् दुर्घटनाया साक्षिण भवाम तदा कर्तव्यं समाचरन्. कर्तव्यं समाचरन् मीन्स डूइंग द duty, means यदा वयं कस्याचित् दुर्घटना, if we are in trouble sometime, साक्षीण भवाम तदा कर्तव्यं समाचरत्. मतलब if we are a witness of that incident, so we are performing a duty like this. मतलब we have to learn the lesson. दुखम अनुभवंत. दुखम अनुभवंत means experiencing. दुख अनुभवंत means experience. Dukha means pain. So you have to experience of pain. Tasya durghatnaya kaschit bodham api praptum aharm, means of that incident you will get the knowledge of that. मतलब जो एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ उसमें से आपको कुछ सीख लेनी चाहिए. So here the word praptum aharma means we can get. Praptum aharma, we can get, means that the person can get. मतलब हम सबको उससे कुछ सीखना चाहिए. विना कारणं दुर्घटना न भवति. कारणं reason, without reason that the incident will not happen. Without cause the incident will not happen. तत्र कस्यचित् जनस्य त्रुटि. त्रुटि means mistakes. So here the word त्रुटि. त्रुटि means mistake. तस्य कश्चित् जनस्य त्रुटि कारणं भवति. Maybe the reason behind this is if any person's mistake is there. सा त्रुटि ज्ञातव्या means should be known of this mistake. तदंतरम then after तादृशी त्रुटिम अहम न कदापि करिष्यामीति. तादृशी, तादृशी means like this. Here the word like this, एतादृशम and तादृशी both are the similar. Means तादृशी त्रुटिम अहम means you are, मतलब आपको वो मिस्टेक जो है वो कभी भी भविष्य में करनी नहीं चाहिए. करिष्यामीति will not do means you will not do the same mistake. Means you will not do the same mistake repeated again. बोधस्य करिष्यामीति बोधो अपि प्राप्तव्य एव means you will get this lesson from the incident. This is the third work of the man as a witness. Now Sunita, again now Sunit is saying साधु कथितम भवता. साधु means well, सही कह रहे हो तुम. Like this you said well. घटनाया साक्षिणः सन्तः कर्तव्यं निर्वहन्तो अपि दुःखम् अनुभवन्तो अपि यदि वयं बोधपाठं न प्राप्तुं तदा वयं मनुष्याः न स्मः. Means घटनाया साक्षिणः सन्तः means being a witness of that incident. कर्तव्यं निर्वहन्तो अपि means performing duty means you are not performing your duty. दुःखमन्तु न भवन्तो अपि means you are not feeling that experience of that pain. यदि वयं बोधपाठं न प्राप्तुं means you will not get the lesson. So here the word प्राप्नुम we can't get. प्राप्नुम, so here the word प्राप्तुम aham we can get, and न प्राप्नुम means you can not get. Means three work is there: performing duty, feel the sorrow मतलब दुख जो लगता है वो, and the third one बोधपाठम न प्राप्तुम means do not teach the lesson means do not learn the lesson. तदा then वयं मनुष्याः न स्म means we are not a human being. So man as a witness that the man is performing three things that we can see from the dialogues is given of conversation is given of Sunit and Punit. Now I hope you all understand this lesson. With the help of this word meaning, try to solve this, and the whole lesson you have to read. I hope you all have understand the PDF that I will share with you of this lesson. Thank you.